Hello everybody, I'm Krishna. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I would like to share with you the new photo book that I have released called The Other Side of Kadugodi. All the pictures in this photo book have been taken from the Fuji x100v. I like this camera for street photography because of its compact size and due to the fixed prime lens of a full frame equivalent of 35mm, I exactly know what would come within the frame and I wouldn't have to take the camera up to my eyes. So this kind of gives me the flexibility to shoot without disturbing the flow of the subjects, and I can get candid pictures. So let us look today on how good these pictures have come out in the print version. And if you would like to order this book, I will leave the link in the description. You have two formats, the Kindle format and the print format. I have enabled the Kindle format so that it is accessible to a lot more people at a much cheaper rate. And if you cannot find the hard copy in Amazon, you can reach out to me and I will get it delivered to you. Photography has many genres such as portrait, landscape, architecture, product, etc. Street photography is one such genre which records everyday life in public spaces. Here, the photographer tries to capture candid pictures of strangers in everyday life and random events which otherwise may go unnoticed. So the main challenge when you do street photography is to be quick at spotting the moment, framing it quickly and capturing the scene, and doing all this without drawing attention. I used to do most of my photography when I travel. With COVID hitting all of us, my travel went to a standstill, and for many months I was not photographing. But then looking at the situation, I realized that this is going to continue for a very long time, and I thought I should challenge myself on taking photographs of places in and around me. So all the pictures in this book have been taken within a radius of around 6 kilometers, and around 80% of the pictures have been taken within a radius of probably 2 to 3 kilometers where I have walked and taken. And I realized that you can take a lot of pictures in and around your locality, and it not only challenges your creativity but it also gives a new view to the otherwise mundane things that you have seen. So let's jump into what I have covered. Kadugodi is a suburb in Whitefield, Bangalore, and Bangalore is known throughout the world for its software engineers and software engineering companies. And a large portion of software engineering companies are located in Whitefield. The Kadugodi area developed rapidly because of a construction of a railway overbridge which gave accessibility for people who work in Whitefield to stay in and around Kadugodi. As connectivity to Whitefield improved due to this bridge, a lot of people from other states also started moving in and settling around this area. So you have a very good mixture of village and city life. As you walk along the main road, you would find the usual city life amenities such as supermarket, eateries, cinema halls, etc. However, if you go into any of the side roads within a kilometer, you would find a huge change where you start seeing green fields, beautiful village houses, etc. So I have tried to show the blend of this in this photo book. As you can see, the pictures have come very beautifully and candidly, and I may not have been able to take this kind of pictures in my other cameras because of the sheer size of it. And in fact, even the print has come pretty nice and as expected from the X100v. Now, if you would like to buy this book, I have left an Amazon link in the description. You can buy the Kindle edition or the print edition. And in case you do not find the print edition available, please contact me and I will try to get the print edition couriered to you. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. It goes a long way. Thank you again.